It's the round two of the Festival of Democracy in Jammu and Kashmir. Voting is on for the second phase of assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir. As many as 11 assembly seats in Jammu region are going to the polls in the second phase. Right now, I'm standing at a polling booth in Naushera assembly segment in Rajouri district. And here you can see that a large number of people have lined up to exercise their democratic right. There is massive enthusiasm among the voters here. We will speak to some of the voters here who have lined up to exercise their franchise. Ma'am, your good name?
शिल्पा चौधरी.
शिल्पा जी, according to you, इस क्षेत्र के बड़े मुद्दे क्या हैं?
मेनली एम्प्लॉयमेंट है.
रोजगार बड़ा मुद्दा है,
जी
तो उसको सोचकर आप वोट डालेंगे.
जी.
ठीक है. Your good name, ma'am?
डॉक्टर हनीका.
Dr. Hanika, according to you, what are the main issues in this assembly segment?
The main issues are for about youth employment, as I think, because many of our youth are still at home and they are not they are well educated and they are not working anywhere in this area.
So you feel that job creation is an important issue in these elections?
Yes, that's the main thing.
Okay.
Yes.
You are voting for, I mean, you have voted earlier also?
Yeah. Every time I came and vote here.
Okay, you tell me one thing that as a lady, as a woman, what are the main issues?
The main issues regarding this voting are I will go with the employment only.
Employment.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
जी आप बताइए आपका नाम?
सरिता शर्मा.
सरिता शर्मा जी, मुझे बताइए कि नाश्ता किया आपने या पहले आप वोट डालने आए?
मैं बीमार नहीं, नाश्ता नहीं किया अभी.
अच्छा, अभी नाश्ता. अच्छा, तबीयत भी खराब है.
जी.
लेकिन अच्छी बात है, आप वोट डालने आए हैं.
और जरूर डालना.
वोट डालना बड़ा जरूरी है.
बहुत जरूरी.
मुझे बताइए कि इस क्षेत्र के मुद्दे क्या हैं?
बच्चों को यही डिमांड है कि एम्प्लॉयमेंट.
तो पिछले 10 सालों में काम हुए इस क्षेत्र में?
बहुत काम हुआ, राणा साहब ने बहुत काम किया.
जैसे?
बहुत काम, गिनती में भी करूँ तो टाइम लग जाएगा. अब आगे चलिए, बहुत काम किया राणा साहब ने.
लेकिन बड़ा मुद्दा क्या है इन चुनाव में?
बस बच्चों के ही है.
एजुकेशन
जी.
और ये एम्प्लॉयमेंट.
बिल के एम्प्लॉयमेंट.
जी आप बताइए आपका नाम. आप बताइए आपका नाम.
शालू शर्मा.
चालू जी, क्या बड़े मुद्दे इस क्षेत्र में?
सर मेन मुद्दा तो यही है एम्प्लॉयमेंट.
एम्प्लॉयमेंट.
हाँ जी.
वी विल स्पीक टू सम मोर वोटर्स हियर. भाई साहब आपका नाम?
देवेंद्र कुमार.
देवेंद्र जी, आपको किसे वोट डालना है हमें वो नहीं जानना है, हमें ये बताइए इस क्षेत्र के मुद्दे क्या हैं?
मुद्दे कुछ नहीं है, सब ऐसे है. बहुत को काम हुआ है.
हुआ है काम?
हाँ, एमएलए साहब ने बहुत काम किया.
काम किए.
रोडों का
मुझे एक चीज बताइए, कोई चीजें हैं जिस पर आप चाहते हैं कि सुधार हो?
सुधार ही सुधार होगा. ये बहुत अच्छे.
अच्छा, ठीक है जी. आप बताइए भाई साहब आपका नाम?
नरेंद्र शर्मा. सर
नरेंद्र जी, क्या बड़े मुद्दे हैं?
मैंने बताया मुद्दा एम्प्लॉयमेंट का है सर.
एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज
सब ठीक है यहाँ पर. हाँ.
So you just heard from most of the voters here. They are saying that employment is an important issue. People want jobs for the youngsters, and we also spoke to young voters. They are saying that they want jobs. As far as this assembly seat is concerned, Naushera assembly seat, the main contest here is between Bharatiya Janata Party's Ravinder Raina and National Conference's Surendra Chaudhary. As per political experts, this is going to be a nail-biting contest as far as this particular seat is concerned. Last time, Jammu and Kashmir BJP President Ravinder Raina, he was contesting from this seat last time also in 2014. He won from this seat, but this time political pundits are saying that it's not going to be a cakewalk for him. This is going to be a very tough seat for him. That is why BJP brought star campaigners as far as this particular seat is concerned. They brought star campaigners, including Union Home Minister Amit Shah, to campaign for Ravinder Raina. Union Home Minister Amit Shah made an emotional appeal to the people of Naushera when he was campaigning for Ravinder Raina here. He also promised that Naushera will be given a district status in future. So voting is on here for the second phase of assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir. We are at a polling booth in Naushera assembly segment in Rajouri district, and here massive enthusiasm can be seen among the voters here, particularly among the women. They have lined up since early morning to cast their votes, to exercise their democratic right. And similar scenes can be witnessed in other polling booths also, in other assembly segments also. So people of Jammu and Kashmir are reposing faith in this democratic process. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Naushera assembly seat in Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir for India Today.